Hello everyone, Kitin here, and today I have this Monsta X item to unbox. So this is Monsta X's Montories, their first DVD. I actually got this unsealed. I did earlier this year. I actually found a shop that was selling a sealed version, but yeah, that didn't push through. So I was like, it's okay if I find an unsealed version because it's a pretty old DVD. So yeah, I did get this. Here's how it looks like here in front, and then here's how it looks like at the back. So yeah, it has Montories disc 1, and then look, Montories in the Philippines. And then yes, so that's basically it. I can't wait to actually go ahead and watch this. So anyway, that's how it looks like in the front. And here is the photo book, I think, or the DVD. Hold on. Let us remove the items. Here's the last box at the bottom. So let's just move that aside and go through it. So yeah, this is the digipack. I can hear it. Okay. So here's how it looks like in the front, spine, and at the back. Okay. And here is the DVD. So you have disc 1, you have disc 2, and you have disc 3. And you have this there in the middle. So we have that one, and then we have these photo cards, postcard things, but we'll just put that on the side. And then there are 2 photo books. How interesting. So let's go through this photo book first. So here you go. Okay, it's a bit musty. That's okay. Ooh, okay, so this is distracting me a bit, so let's just move the other photo book away first. Right, so we have Shonu. Oh my gosh, Wonho. It's Wonho. And here is Minhyuk with reddish brown hair. And then we have Kihyun. And then we have Hyungwon. Then we have Juhon. Or Juhani. Yep. And then you have IM. And then you have all members over here. A nice group shot. Ooh, and I think that these are all group shots. Nice. But yeah, I am just so happy that I was able to find someone who was selling this. Oh my gosh, look at Wonho. Oh my goodness. He is the cutest. And here is Minhyuk. Oh, by the way, if you don't know, my biases are Minhyuk, Kihyun, and IM. And here is Hyungwon. And then here's Juhani. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Oh my goodness gracious. And then you have Kihyun, Wonho, Juhani, and IM. And then over here we have everyone, basically. And then here are the credits, and that is the end for that photo book. And let's look at this photo book. That one was white, this one is, as you can see, it's black. And it has different kind of paper too. It's like the glossier kind of paper. Oh, it's like behind the scenes stuff. Oh, this is really nice. I miss Minhyuk and that blonde hair. Oh wow, I really, really cannot wait to see this, to watch this. I wonder where these were taken. Okay, I was like, do I recognize this place? Don't know. Oh, look at Wonho. Oh my gosh, cutie pie. Oh my gosh, look at them. So cute. Sorry, I became quiet all of a sudden. Yeah. Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh my goodness gracious, look at this. Oh my gosh, that is such a cute shot. Blending in with the trash bins over there. One hole. Oh my gosh. And there is Minhyuk and one hole. Here, you know, I really love this hair in Minhyuk. I just do. I am looks like such a baby here. Kihyun, what is up with your facial expression? And then Hyungwon, and then Shonu, and here they are. Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to, you know, actually watch this. And then let's get into this one. Oh, okay, so it holds it all together, that's pretty neat. Ooh, ooh, wow. Okay, so it has all their signatures at their back, at their back. What is that? Okay, so we have a Shonu. Ooh, this is nice. This is really nice. And then, oops. So we have Shonu, we have Wonho. Yeah. And then we have Minhyuk. And then we have Kihyun. And then we have Hyungwon. And then we have Juhoney. And then finally we have I am. Gotta check our new thing. That is so adorable. That is so cute. Okay, so basically that was it. And yes, I am so thankful and grateful that it did come with, like, all the inclusions were complete. Sorry, I had my tripod there for a second. But yeah, this was it. This is basically everything. So the photo books over here, and here is the DVD. Yeah, so basically that was it for this unboxing. It was a pretty quick unboxing, but I hope that you enjoyed it nonetheless. I am so glad that I was able to find someone who was selling an unsealed version of this, and trust me when I say that I will treasure this very much. Anyway guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. I mean until the end. And yeah, that's it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!